Welcome to Day 31 of Future Business School's Daily MBA series. Today, we're focusing on quality management and control, which is essential for ensuring that products and services meet the desired standards and satisfy customer expectations. We'll cover total quality management, Six Sigma, and quality control measures. What is quality management? Quality management involves overseeing all activities and tasks necessary to maintain a desired level of excellence. It includes the determination of a quality policy, creating and implementing quality planning and assurance, and quality control and improvement. Key concepts in quality management. Total quality management, or TQM, is a comprehensive approach to improving the quality of an organization's outputs, including goods and services, through continuous improvement. The principles of TQM include customer focus, understanding and meeting customer needs and expectations; total employee involvement, engaging all employees in the quality improvement process; process-centered, focusing on improving processes to enhance quality; integrated system, ensuring all departments work towards quality goals; continuous improvement, making ongoing efforts to improve products, services, and processes; fact-based decision-making, using data and analysis to drive decisions and improvements. An example of this is Toyota, which implements TQM through its Toyota Production System, or TPS, which emphasizes quality at every stage of the manufacturing process and involves all employees in problem-solving and continuous improvement. Six Sigma is a data-driven methodology aimed at improving the quality of processes by identifying and removing the causes of defects and minimizing variability. Key concepts of Six Sigma, DMA. The core Six Sigma process improvement methodology, which stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. Define, identify the problem and project goals. Measure, collect data and measure current performance. Analyze, analyze data to identify root causes of defects. Improve, develop and implement solutions to address root causes. Control, monitor the process to ensure improvements are sustained. 6 Sigma levels. Green Belt, basic level of Six Sigma certification, focusing on process improvement. Black Belt, advanced level, focusing on leading improvement projects and mentoring green belts. Master Black Belt, expert level, focusing on strategic implementation and organization-wide initiatives. Example: General Electric, GE, uses Six Sigma to improve operational efficiency and reduce defects. By applying Six Sigma principles, GE achieved significant cost savings and process improvements across various business units. Quality control, QC, involves the operational techniques and activities used to fulfill quality requirements. It focuses on detecting and correcting defects in the final product. Key QC measures: inspection, checking products or processes for defects and ensuring they meet quality standards. Testing, conducting tests to verify that products meet performance and safety requirements. Statistical process control, SPC, using statistical methods to monitor and control processes to ensure they operate at their full potential. Corrective actions, implementing actions to correct defects or issues identified during inspections or testing. Benchmarking, comparing performance metrics to industry standards or best practices to identify areas for improvement. Example: Apple employs rigorous quality control measures during the manufacturing of its products, including comprehensive testing and inspections to ensure that every device meets its high standards before reaching consumers. Quality management and control are vital for delivering high-quality products and services that meet customer expectations. Here are the key takeaways. Total quality management, TQM. A holistic approach to continuous improvement involving all employees and processes. Six Sigma. a data-driven methodology focused on reducing defects and variability through the DMA process. Quality control measures, techniques and activities like inspection, testing, and statistical process control to ensure product quality and compliance with standards. Real-world impact. Companies that implement effective quality management practices, such as Toyota and GE, achieve higher customer satisfaction, reduced costs, and improved efficiency. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of quality management and control. If you found this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to Future Business School for more insightful content. Tomorrow we'll cover operations strategy. See you then.